Cuddly diddly do neighbors, today I'm gonna play worms until I get carbon monoxide poisoning. Smash like subscribe button. I mean, I'll do some basic sniper rifles challenge, so yeah, let's just jump right in. I love Worms. Worms is such a great game. Sadly, Worms 3D is not on the, Steam Workshop, but we can't do it.
This time we have the sniper challenge.
But, some call me the biggest sniper in the West. Come on. Yes. This is just way too easy, Way too easy. I love Worms. I'm just the best player at it. Nobody's better than me. Oh, wait, we're not done. Oh, shit. Okay. What the? Oh, yeah, it's here. Yes! That was the worst wish of my life.
You need to fly around the landscape.
Wicked Mick.
Oh, this jetpack challenge is be easy.
Wicked Mick.
Oh. Fuck's sake.
Wicked
Yes. Yeah, that was just lag. Yeah, just lag on my end, Fuck!
Wicked Mick.
Easy. Easy. God damn it.
Robbing that Mick. Wicked Mick. Wicked Mick. Wicked Mick.
Yeah, it's just some normal games, there's nothing crazy, just yeah, just Alright, let's go. What is... Okay. Man, I'm the best at these. Nobody can beat me. Shit. Embarrassing.
Hello.
Fuck. Let's go.
Just you wait.
Only hand grenade could not do.
You missed.
Just a little bit. Just a little hop jump. get out.
Hello?
Just get out. Just. What the fuck? That was not scripted.
I'll get you. Ouch.
The fuck are you looking?
Uh,
I think the game's bugged or something. It doesn't let me place.
Hello. Hello. You missed. You missed.
I'm sorry for not. It's been like trying to this game and just like just need to
What's this?
just when
I'll make you regret that.
I'm in the sky. An enemy. I'll do it with a grenade.
So you can.
Huh?
Hello. You missed. Hello.
It's, need
Perfect. get shot. Bye-bye then. You missed. Hello.
Oh, no.